Fall is in the air. The leaves are turning, the air is crisp, and it's the perfect time to deep clean your house. Today is day 3 of our 5-day whole house deep clean, and we're diving in to deep clean the bathrooms. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. We'll break it down into manageable steps, making this deep clean a breeze. Bathrooms are high-traffic areas prone to grime and germs. A deep clean not only makes the space look and smell better, but also creates a healthier environment for you and your family. In this video, we'll tackle every nook and cranny of your bathroom. From the ceiling to the floor, we'll scrub, shine, and sanitize, leaving you with a sparkling, clean oasis. Leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite bathroom deep cleaning hack. You know we love to hear from you. Now gather your cleaning supplies, put on some energizing music, and let's get started on this epic fall bathroom deep clean. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of cleaning, let's first declutter. A clutter-free bathroom feels larger and is easier to clean. Grab a few bags or bins, one for trash, one for recycling, and one for items that belong elsewhere in the house. Start by clearing surfaces like the counter, tub ledge, and top of the toilet tank. Toss expired products, combine half-empty bottles, and put away items that don't belong in the bathroom. Next, tackle drawers and cabinets. Remove everything, wipe down the surfaces, and assess what you use regularly. Donate or discard items you no longer need or use. Organize the remaining items, using drawer dividers or small containers to keep things tidy. Remember, a clean and organized space promotes a sense of calm. Take a moment to appreciate your decluttered bathroom before we move on to the deep cleaning phase. Now that the bathroom is decluttered, we can start cleaning. A clutter-free space not only looks better, but also makes the cleaning process much more efficient. With everything in its place, we can focus on the often overlooked areas that need our attention. Let's begin by looking up, literally. The ceiling area, especially around the exhaust fan and light fixtures, can accumulate a surprising amount of dust and grime over time. The exhaust fan and light fixtures often get overlooked, but are crucial for maintaining good air quality and proper lighting in your bathroom, so it's essential to keep them clean. For the exhaust fan, turn off the power. Safety first. Ensuring the power is off will prevent any accidents while you're cleaning. Remove the cover, usually by pressing clips or unscrewing it. This step might require a bit of patience, especially if the cover hasn't been removed in a while. Wash the cover in warm, soapy water, rinse well, and set aside to dry completely. This will help remove any built-up dust and grime, leaving it looking fresh and clean. Next, use a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove dust from the fan blades and the vent opening. This step is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your exhaust fan. If necessary, wipe down the blades and vent with a damp cloth. This will help remove any stubborn dirt that the vacuum couldn't pick up. Once the cover is dry, replace it, ensuring it snaps or screws back securely. A properly secured cover will help the fan function efficiently and keep it clean for longer. Now let's brighten things up by cleaning the light fixtures. Clean light fixtures not only improve the appearance of your bathroom, but also enhance the lighting quality. Again, turn off the power first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical accidents while you're cleaning. If possible, remove the shades or globes and wash them like the fan cover. This will help remove any dust and grime that has accumulated over time. Dust the bulbs and fixture base with a microfiber cloth, or use the vacuum with the brush attachment. Clean bulbs and fixtures will ensure that your bathroom is well lit and inviting. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble the light fixtures. Make sure everything is securely in place and turn the power back on. Enjoy your freshly cleaned light fixture. Let's do the walls and ceilings, from top to bottom. Cleaning your home thoroughly means paying attention to every detail, and that includes the often overlooked walls and ceilings. With the exhaust fan and light fixtures sparkling, let's move on to the walls and ceilings. These areas can be a bit tricky, but with the right approach, they can be just as spotless. These surfaces might not seem dirty at first glance, but they accumulate dust, cobwebs, and even splatters over time. It's easy to miss these spots during regular cleaning, but they can make a big difference in the overall cleanliness of your home. Starting at the ceiling, use a duster with an extendable handle to remove cobwebs and dust. This tool is especially useful for reaching high corners and light fixtures without straining yourself. Work your way down the walls, paying special attention to corners and areas behind doors. These spots often harbor hidden dust and grime that can affect the air quality in your home. For painted walls, mix a solution of warm water and a mild all-purpose cleaner. This gentle mixture is effective at removing dirt without damaging the paint. Dip a microfiber cloth into the solution, wring it out well, and wipe down the walls from top to bottom. Microfiber cloths are great because they trap dust and dirt rather than just pushing it around. Avoid using harsh cleaners on painted surfaces as they can damage the paint. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first if you're unsure about a cleaner's effect on your walls. If you have tiled walls, use a bathroom cleaner specifically designed for tile and grout. These cleaners are formulated to tackle the unique challenges of bathroom surfaces, such as soap scum and mildew. Spray the cleaner on the walls, let it sit for the recommended time, then scrub any stubborn stains with a soft bristled brush. This helps to lift and remove grime that has settled into the grout lines. Rinse the walls thoroughly with clean water and dry them with a microfiber cloth. This final step ensures that no cleaner residue is left behind, which can attract more dirt and grime over time. Let's focus on deep cleaning the shower, including the shower doors and the shower curtain. Start by removing any items from the shower. Use a suitable cleaner to scrub the shower walls and floor, paying special attention to any mold or mildew. Give the grout a good scrub with a brush. Next, clean the shower doors with a glass cleaner, ensuring they are streak-free. If you have a shower curtain, take it down and either wash it in the washing machine or replace it with a new one. This will leave your shower looking fresh and spotless. Now, let's dive into the best practices for deep cleaning your bathroom sink. All you need is a non-abrasive sponge, a soft cloth, an all-purpose bathroom cleaner, a toothbrush or small scrub brush, and some baking soda and vinegar for tougher stains. Begin by clearing the sink area of any personal items, such as soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and other toiletries. This will give you full access to the sink surface and help you clean more effectively. Next, rinse the sink with warm water to loosen any surface dirt and grime. Apply an all-purpose bathroom cleaner generously, ensuring you cover all areas, including the faucet and drain. Using a non-abrasive sponge, scrub the sink in circular motions. Pay special attention to the areas around the faucet and drain, as these spots tend to accumulate the most buildup. For tighter areas, use a toothbrush or small scrub brush to get into the nooks and crannies. For any stubborn stains or mineral deposits, sprinkle some baking soda over the affected area and spray it with vinegar. Allow the mixture to fizz and sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it away with your sponge or brush. This natural cleaning solution is effective at breaking down tough stains without damaging your sink surface. Rinse the sink thoroughly with warm water to remove any cleaning residue. Make sure to rinse the faucet and drain as well. After rinsing, wipe the sink dry with a soft cloth to prevent water spots and streaks. For an added shine, you can polish the faucet and other fixtures with a microfiber cloth. This will give your sink a professional, sparkling finish. Regular deep cleaning like this will keep your bathroom looking fresh and inviting. Now let's move on to deep cleaning the bathtub. Start by removing any items from the bathtub. Use a bathroom cleaner to spray the entire surface, focusing on any soap scum or mildew. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then scrub with a brush to remove the buildup. Rinse thoroughly and wipe dry for a sparkling clean finish. We've saved the worst job until almost the end. Deep cleaning the toilet. First, turn off the water and flush the toilet to empty the bowl. Spread bowl cleaner around under the rim and make sure it coats the entire toilet bowl. Allow it to sit for a few minutes. Meanwhile, use a dry paper towel or dry microfiber cloth to wipe the outside of the entire toilet. This will remove all the dust, hair, and other loose debris. Then, spray the entire outside of the toilet with a disinfectant cleaner and allow to sit for a few minutes while you clean the toilet bowl. Take your toilet brush and vigorously scrub the bowl, making sure to get up under the rim. Give extra attention to the bottom where the water exits the bowl. When you're finished, turn the water back on and give the toilet a flush. Use a clean, damp microfiber cloth to wipe the cleaner from the toilet. Start with the top of the tank and work your way down. Be sure to get both sides of the lid and the seat. You may need to scrub the hinge and bolts with a toothbrush, then wipe with your cloth. Wipe the sides of the bowl and all the way down to the floor. Wipe the whole thing again with another clean, damp microfiber cloth, so you're sure to remove all traces of the disinfectant cleaner. Your toilet should now be sparkling clean. Now, let's restore the shine to your bathroom floor. Here's a step-by-step process to bring back the sparkle, making it look as good as new. The bathroom floor endures a lot of traffic, spills, and splatters. Over time, these elements can dull the shine and make the floor look worn out. Regular cleaning might not be enough to tackle the deep-seated dirt and grime. It's time to give it a thorough cleaning to restore its shine. gather all the necessary cleaning supplies, including a broom, vacuum, mop, bucket, bathroom floor cleaner, grout brush, and grout cleaner. Begin by sweeping or vacuuming the floor to remove loose dirt and debris. This step is crucial as it prevents the dirt from spreading around when you start mopping. Next, fill a bucket with warm water and add a bathroom floor cleaner, following the instructions on the product label. The right cleaner will help break down the grime and make the cleaning process more effective. Dip a mop or sponge into the cleaning solution, wring it out well, and mop the entire floor. Make sure to cover every inch, including the corners and edges, where dirt often accumulates. Pay extra attention to the grout lines as they tend to trap dirt and grime. Grout can be particularly challenging to clean, but it's essential for achieving a truly spotless floor. For stubborn stains on grout, use a grout brush and a specialized grout cleaner. Apply the cleaner directly to the grout lines and scrub vigorously to lift the stains. After mopping, rinse the floor with clean water to remove any leftover cleaning solution. This step ensures that no residue is left behind, which can attract more dirt and make the floor sticky. If you have time, allow the floor to air dry. Air drying helps to prevent streaks and watermarks, leaving your floor looking pristine. Once the floor is dry, you can enjoy the renewed shine and cleanliness of your bathroom floor. Regular deep cleaning like this will keep your bathroom looking fresh and inviting. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell for more cleaning tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to keep your home sparkling clean. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you for day 4 of our 5-day deep clean.